So order by can also operate on more than one column. Um, Here, let me introduce the customers table in the Northwind database. Basically, stores all the information about this company's this theoretical companies, basically all their customer information. And you see here we have the company that that customer belongs to, and the contact name of that company, contact title, that kind of thing, address. A lot of info. One of the most hideous columns I've seen in my entire SQL career is this customer ID, because instead of generating them as integer values as we saw in the products table, they did some sort of hash on the customer's, I guess the company name. So anyway, that's highly uncommon, at least what I've seen. It's not common to do that, but really, as long as the values in your identifying column are unique, it doesn't matter what you use. But generally, we use integers, and then every time we get a new row, we just increment it by one. I'll show you how to do all that later in a different video. Okay, so this is the customers table. The reason I use this is because notice we have let's see, I have country, and then I have city. So let's filter some columns here. Let's get the contact name, and let's get the city, and let's get the country. Okay, and run that query, and this is a little better. So now we only have 3 columns that I'm kind of interested in. But notice, well, I have a Germany here and a Germany here, and I bet there's more Germany. Yeah, Germany, and a bunch of France and stuff. So in order to order this so that all the German customers are together, should be simple. We should say order by country, hit F5, run the query again, and now look, we have all the Argentinians, Australians, Brazil, all that kind of stuff, all nice and together. But notice the cities are still out of order. Now I could say order by city, but that'll rejumble up all the countries. Yes, all the cities are in order, but the countries are out of order. So that's not really the effect we want to do. We want to do some sort of drill down where we say, well, give me all the countries, and then put those countries in order, and then order the cities within those countries. So the way we do that is we just say order by country, and then order by city, or just follow city with a comma here, actually. Run it, and then notice here, country Argentina, Buenos Aires. That's not too interesting. Let's go to somewhere. Right here. Here's Brazil. So we have Rio de Janeiro, all the Rio de Janeiros together, and then we have this. I think it's Sao Paulo. Is that how to say it? Sao Paulo, grouped together as well. Forgive my cultural ignorance. Anyway, so it's also possible to say city. Let's put a DESC out here, which will order the cities descending within their certain countries. So run this, and I'll go back down to Brazil. Notice S comes before R. So just to summarize what's going on here, we say order by country, so it orders everything by the country, and then within that country group, we're saying order by the cities then. And so it orders within, the cities within that one country group. Notice that we have a C down here, which is a lot smaller than an S, but Salzburg belongs to Austria, and Campinas, I think that's how it said, belongs to Brazil. So anyway, that's ordering by multiple columns.